Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Following on from my first two Halloween Mani videos, in this video I'll be showing you the next 7 manis I created for my Mani a Day through the month of October themed around Halloween. There is some information in the description box below along with my Instagram page link where you can find all of the manis. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. I created a list of days with their themes. I can't believe it's almost over. It's been crazy and has made me extremely busy. I have loved every minute of it, but I'm not going to get them all done, and I know that now. So I've created these manis on either myself or nail tips for these 7 manis. Day 15 and the theme was open wounds. You could say I went a little over the top. This isn't what I would call a wearable mani. It very required taste for this mani. So I've used stiletto nail tips and I've used the Your Sugar gel polish number 685 white, and I've also used the Born Pretty reinforcement gel. This was to fill in the wounds, and I've also used their no white top coat as well. I also used another top coat, and that was the Kiki London matte no white top coat. To create the wounds, as I did something similar to this last year, I used 3D modelling gel in white, and to add some colour I used a collection of gel pots as well. This mani isn't for everybody, but I like to do at least one wacky mani for Halloween, and this is definitely it. The stitches are just black cotton, and yes, it was extremely fiddly, but I'm really happy with this. If you want to see how I create something similar to this, there is a Halloween mani video here on my channel that I did last year, very similar to this, so check that out. Day 16 and the theme was traditional colours. Now I have to be honest, I don't like this mani. In person it does look slightly better and you can see it a lot better, but yeah, not a fan. So for the base I used Kiss gel polish grape gum along with the Born Pretty no white top coat. The stamping polish I used was Clear Jelly Stamper 022 Clementine, which, to be fair, I like it over purple, but I think this purple is too dark. The stamping plates I used were Dixie plates Halloween 2018, Born Pretty Halloween L005, and Lina Nail Art Spooklicious 01. I would love to do this mani again, but use a lighter base polish. Orange and purple do work really well together for Halloween manis. I remember doing one last year, but definitely not this dark. Day 17 and the theme was non-traditional colours, and yes, I went pink for the polish. I used Kiki London base coat along with their no white top coat, and I used pink bikini as the base. For the stamping I used Clear Jelly Stamper 075 Everything's Rosy, which over the pink I have to say works really well. I didn't think it would work. Now for the mani I've only used one stamping plate, and this is Lina Nail Art Spooklicious 02. This is why I love the Spooklicious range of stamping plates. They are just fantastic, and I'm not reaching for multiple plates to create a whole mani. This isn't the first time I've done that for this Halloween mani days. Day 12 spiders I only used 03. This is a range that I reach for the most, well worth having in anyone's collection, and this is definitely a very different mani, but I really do like it. Day 18 and the theme was claws, and wow, this was difficult. Out of the 45 plus stamping plates for Halloween that I own, I could only find 2 images. I was like, what? That can't be right. Anyway, for the polishes I used the Blue Sky base coat along with the new Autumn Winter gel polish AW1804 Pure Harmony. It makes a great base colour. I've also used the Born Pretty No White Matte Top Coat. The stamping polish I used was Clear Jelly Stamper 042 Slate Grey, and over the Pure Harmony is just amazing. This will be a colour combo I'll be using again. The stamping plates I used were, can you guess? Yep, Lina Nail Art Spooklicious 01, along with the Clear Jelly Stamper CJS LC24 Wicked Halloween. Even though I didn't have many images, this works well. It's another subtle mani as well. I love the colour combo. That's definitely a winner for me. Day 19 and the theme was potions, a mani theme I've never done before. For the polishes I've used the Blue Sky base coat and No Wipe top coat, along with another new Autumn Winter gel polish AW1803 Reflection of You. I don't think I've ever used a pale yellow for a Halloween mani before. The stamping polish I used was Clear Jelly Stamper 062 Vixen, which over the pale yellow looks really good. The stamping plates I used were Born Pretty BP183, along with, I think the brand is Hanelta, I'm not sure they're still going, plate 33, which is just perfect for potion nails. I think if I wanted to take this mani further, I would have added some colour to the cauldron and the potion bottles, but I was really happy having never done a potion mani before. Day 20 and the theme was creepy trees. Again, not really sure about this mani. Maybe I should have used black instead of the grey. So for the polishes I've used nail polish this time, the Essie Colour Correct as a base, Morgan Taylor's Sweet Escape along with the Glisten and Glow top coat, and Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and then along with the matte top coat from Barry M. The stamping polish I used was Born Pretty Grey Stamping Polish 444. This has been another well used stamping polish through the month of October. The stamping plates I used were Dixie Plates Halloween 2018, along with Clear Jelly Stamper CJS LC24 Wicked Halloween. I like the mani, but definitely should have used a different colour for the stamping. Again, I've never done a creepy tree mani before. I've really pushed myself well and truly out of my comfort zone. It has been very interesting. Day 21 and the theme was skulls. This mani was very popular over on my Instagram. So again, I've used nail polish and they were the Essie Colour Correct for the base coat. I used Zoya's Danny, a gorgeous shimmery purple, and I've used my favourite top coat, Glisten and Glow top coat, and the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. The stamping polishes are from Clear Jelly Stamper and they were 001 Black, 015 Stone Cold and 005 Wild Child. The stamping plate I used, and it just had to be Clear Jelly Stamper CJS LC31 Romantic Rebel. This is the best skull stamping plate I have. It makes the most amazing skull manis, and this is the second time I've used it. CJS LC31, it just is an amazing stamping plate. Most of these stamping plates and gel polishes, I do have swatch reviews here on my channel. Make sure you check out their playlists, as you can find all of them there. So just before I do end this video, if you follow me over on Instagram, you may already know this, but I'm having to take some personal time off for a surgery I'm having done on my hand. This means that this video will be the final video for this week, and I'll only be uploading one video next week, which will be Wednesday, the 31st of October, and it'll be the final part of this series. I will be uploading other videos, but they won't be as frequently as I normally do, so make sure that you are subscribed and you have that funny bell notification on so you know when I next upload. I will be returning to my 3 videos a week, hopefully very, very soon. A massive thank you for all your support, comments and likes. It is really appreciated, so thank you. As always, my manis are over on my Instagram page. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and you see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. It is really appreciated. Thank you for viewing my Halloween Mani part 3. Make sure you come back for part 4. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!